Let me show you how to create this moonlight effect in Photoshop. Create your document with this size. Create a black solid color layer. Drop your image to Photoshop. Go to Select and choose Subject. Choose the mask thumbnail and choose this to create a selection. Create another black solid color layer. Create a new layer below the 2 layer. Choose the elliptical marquee tool. Hold Shift to create a perfect circle. Center it at the middle. Go to Edit and choose Fill. Choose White. Now create a clipping mask. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Apply Gaussian blur to the white circle. Follow this process to add some depth to the image.